I'm gonna send those back thing last week, and that was fun. But you know, and it's feeling good and secure. But it's so the baby, don't play with her. She is.
I'm about to redo my lashes because I didn't have time last night when Big Mama came through and killed me. And then we'll focus on my hair.
Look, I wanted to show y'all my like my little thrifted purse. So I definitely. So my client that needed the Great Gatsby inspired look, I'm actually gonna let her borrow this bag to go with her look. Oh, and that's what I forgot to tell y'all. I did not find
Okay, so I'm not gonna be able to use the rods just yet because I don't have the pins to keep them stuck, and I put it in there wrong, so like my ends are a little bent up, but I can fix that. I'm gonna just use my little flat iron and then put the Velcro rollers in and use bobby pins instead. One side down, one lip. Okay.
whatever.
Let's just see what happens.
I'm not playing. But yeah, all this stuff needs to get sorted out. Which I'm doing. I've separated them into like categories. I know I've done this before where you have like.
I'm just about to blend my concealer into a lip. Layer number 2 of concealer. Usually I blush curly, but today we're gonna try. Well, I've been using it, but this is what it is. Finished makeup look.
See, I'm back on my